You could be my unintended choice to live my life extended. You could be the one I'll always love. You could be the one who listens to my deepest inquisitions. You could be the one I'll always love. I'll be there as soon as I can, but I'm busy mending broken pieces of my life I had before. First there was the one who challenged all my dreams and all my bounds. She could never be as good as you. Could be my unintended choice to live my life extended. You could be the one I'll always love. I'll be there as soon as I can, but I'm busy mending broken pieces of my life I had before. I'll be there as soon as I can, but I'm busy mending broken pieces of my life I had before you. Well, hi there pluckers, I Saw Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson. This is part 2 of my lessons on a song from Muse called Unintended. Please excuse the singing, okay, it's purely for reference. I know it's awful, but there it is, just for guidance, okay. So standard tuning, no capos as first part that I did, and we're doing it in the same key as Muse, okay. So the sequence of chords for the verse and the chorus all the way through the song are the same. Okay, the chords are E, A minor, D, 4-finger G, C, B7, and back to the E again. And then it does the next part of the song, okay, it just goes round and round and round like that, okay. So starting off with the E chord, the picking for the E chord is 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right, okay, so it's like you then we go to A minor, and the pick on the A minor is 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Anyways. Okay, so far, you could be my unintended. Okay, Now we go to a D chord, and it's basically this sort of fairly simple one. It's like, so it's 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So okay, so now we've got you could be my unintended choice to live. Okay, and then we go to a G chord, 4-finger G, but you only need to do that. Okay, you only need the 3rd on the 6th and these 2 fingers playing the top 2 strings on the 3rd fret. You don't need this first finger at all, because you go picking on this is 6, 4, 2, 3. So 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, sorry. Okay, so now you've got you could be my unintended choice to give my life extended. Okay, now we go to a C chord. Standard C chord, and that's picking on that is 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now we've got, okay, so you could be my unintended choice to live my life untended. You could be, let's do that again from the beginning. You could be my unintended choice to live my life extended. You could be the B7 now. 1. This is like you did on the intro. B7, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's okay. So from the beginning, you could be my unintended choice to live my life extended. You could be the one I'll always. Then we do the E strum again. So that's 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 this time. There's an extra bit on this middle bit, so sorry. I'm going to do that twice. So that's 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Extra note on this bit in between the verses. Okay, so it's okay, so the whole thing, the whole verse, okay, from the beginning. You could be my unintended choice to live my life extended. You could be the one I'll always love. Okay? and then basically it just repeats the whole thing again for the chorus. Obviously he sings it in an octave higher, but it's still the same notes. It's sorry, it's again it's sorry, I'll be there as soon as I can. So to get the idea, so it's sorry, I'll be there as soon as I can. I'll busy mending broken pieces of my life I had before. Exactly the same as what we've just played, okay? And then we do another verse which is exactly the same, and another verse which is exactly the same, and at the end of the one that goes you could be my unintended choice to live my life extended. You should be the one I'll always love. Okay, and this is a slightly different bit where it goes something like that. Okay, so at the end of that that verse that does that one I'll always, you do one lot of E. Instead of playing the second lot of E, you do this. What I'm doing there is I'm fretting the 3rd fret of the bottom E string and the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and you play the bottom E string on the 3rd fret, then the 2nd on the 4th, then the open 2nd, and then the open 3rd. So that's an E minor with G in the bass, sort of thing. And then you play the B7, and you just play basically the 5th string and the 4th string, and then the top string. Okay, if you're quick enough, you can go. If you want to do that really quickly, but it puts the timing out for me singing. I find that, so I just go that, and then you're back into another verse again or chorus. The standard chord sequence: E, A minor, etc. So that's coming out like that. That's where it goes. You should be the one that always love. And it goes, and now it goes back to the normal chord sequence again. I'll be there as soon as I can, but I'm busy mending broken pieces of my life I had before. Again, the last chorus again. I'll be there as soon as I can, but I've mended pieces of my life I had before. Now you do 2 lots of E, as usual. Before you, and that goes into the outro. Does that before you on the second one? Does before you. Okay. Now you go to the outro, and that's a rundown on A minor, and it's so A minor, and the picking on the outro is 5 on the A minor. 5, 4, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's sorry. Then you repeat exactly the same thing, but with the bottom E string on the 3rd fret with pinky, and you go, instead of going 5th string, you go bottom E string, 6, 4, 3, sorry, 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So okay, so it's okay, got that? 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the first one is 5, 4, 1, 2. 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third fret bottom E string. 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to do this as a bit of a, when you've done it a few times you'll get used to doing it. That's an A minor with G in the bass, and then you do an A minor with F sharp in the bass. So basically this second finger has to go up to the second on the bottom E string, and you do your A minor like that. Okay, so the first finger stays where it is, your third finger goes to the second on the fourth, and pinky goes to the second on the third, and that second finger goes to the second on the fourth, and it's the same picking as you did with G, with the G1 in the bass. 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you've got then basically you take off those, you leave those two fingers where they were from the A minor with F sharp in the bass, and put the first finger up to the first fret on the bottom E string. Now you've got an A sus2 with F in the bass. Okay, so, and that is again, it's bottom E string 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do that one once, okay? So now you've got finally you can just take the first finger away, just leave those two behind. Now you've got an E sus4, and it's the same picking again. 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do that one twice. Okay, so okay, so the whole thing so far on the intro, on the outro. Sorry, do it again, sorry. And finally, you go to a standard E chord, and it's this is the usual thing. 6, 4, 2, 3. Sorry, 2, yeah. 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then bottom E string open. So it's okay, so the whole outro slowly. And there you have it. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. That's the best I can do on that, I'm afraid. Again, apologies for the singing during the playthrough. It's just just for reference. Okay, hopefully that makes sense to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.